What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome back. On today's episode, I'm just going to be changing out on today's episode, I'm going to give you an update on where I'm at on my drawer system. It's getting close. I do have my drawers actually put together this week and started putting the slides on yesterday. And I'll show you that, but got to do some adjustments on that. But it is opening and closing, but still need some adjustments to finish that up. And also I'm going to go ahead and change out my rear view mirrors, or not my rear view, but my side mirrors on the FJ. I've got replacements from Suma Performance, and I got these in the blue tint, which will help out on glare. So I'm going to go ahead and do those today. I've been trying to get some, I think I got some nighttime footage of before, but I hadn't got any of after. So I have trouble staying up past, once it gets nighttime, I like to go to sleep. So work's been busy and I hadn't been able to just go out and get some footage of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace the mirrors today. Also, I'm replacing the lights in the mirrors as well. I will get into that in a second, but I'm going to show you where I'm at with the drawers here. I think last week I had got them cut out. I think last week at the end of the week, I started cutting everything out, and then I was able to get my my screws and my wood glue this week. So I've got them put together. They turned out pretty good. I think I've never built drawers, but I just did a simple design, but they seem really sturdy for what I'm going to be using it for. Let me let's see the size here. So we are 16.5 on the inside by about, I don't have my glasses on, but I'd say 28.5. So 16.5 by 28.5 by 9.5 deep. And I think the size is really going to be perfect. And I've got two of those. And you can see here it is in the frame. And this is what I got to do some adjustments on it, but it is sliding in, but only one side's locking, so I've got to make sure everything is squared up and plumbed properly. This side was a little off, causing it to not close, so I had to loosen this up and drop it down. But first attempt at that, I'm pretty happy with it right now. I gotta get the time out here and adjust it and get the other one in place. Then that'd be ready to go back in the FJ. And my plans on this is to put a piece of plywood across the top, and I want it to go across the refrigerator and tie into my side molly panel is where it'll tie into. So I have a storage across the top as well. And then on the sides, I'm going to get just the thinnest, probably like a 1/4 inch maple, and do two sides and then the back. And I'll use T-nuts in here and just screw directly to that. And that'll give me my panels. And then on the front side, probably going to do a fascia board to cover the entire front on both of these, just to cover the space on the rails and everything. It'll cover all of that when it's closed. And I'm probably going to paint these black, but I may leave the front fascia, whatever wood I use for that, and have the wood. I am going to leave the inside natural wood. I'm just going to spray that and seal it but the outside I think I'm gonna do black, so when they're opened up it all blend in with the whole back end of the FJ. But it's been a long project on the drawer system, but like I said, I am pretty happy with how they turned out. They're solid, and can't wait to get them in there and start using them again. So that's the drawers, and I'm going to get the tripod set up, and we will get to, these should be fairly easy. You just pop them out, and then I can get to the light there, change out the bulb, and then pop in the new ones. So let me get the tripod set up and try to capture this. Before we do that, I'm going to turn the lights on just so you can see that that's the lights I have in now, kind of a blue tint. And then I'm going to be changing those out with the mirrors. Kind of like the blue tint, but we'll see what the other ones look like. So we'll take another look at what we're installing here. These are just some LED bulbs that I got off of Amazon. They're the white, so that's the reason I got these. And these are the Suma Performance mirrors that I ordered. And they come like this. This is in blue tint here. That'll be for this side. This will be for the other side, and the blue tint is to help on the glare. And that's what I was wanting. Nighttime, rainy conditions. I'm hoping this helps. So let's get into the install. Okay, so to do that, you just pull your mirror out, and you want to get up underneath it and pop it out. You may take a little pry tool. Use something like this, just a plastic pry tool to get up underneath. Okay, I think it's a flathead screwdriver you can stick up in there and finish popping it. Now, and to get the bulb out, all you do, counterclockwise twist, and it pops out. Pop it back in and twist it and lock it in place. And now, okay, it pushes up and then locks in. You got two tabs at the top, and these two hooks at the top will lock in, and then when you push it, it clips down on the small bars on the side and on the bottom. that is it. Oh, I do like that. Yeah, you can see so much better. So this is really easy. All right, so now we're on the driver's side. I don't want to break it. Let me get a light. Just have to pull on it. I don't like doing that, but sometimes you have to. I'm going to save these blue ones because I don't like these other ones. I should have tested them before that'd be fine. I think they're about the same color. Let's take a look at them, and you can see them there. Definitely have the blue tint to it, which those are so much better than my other ones. The other ones are just, I think they were like, one thing, they're just so old that I couldn't see really well, but I'm excited about these. And let's turn on, I don't know if I can tell the difference in the, I think they're a little brighter, but I think they're the same color. I think it's that white actually shows up as a kind of a cool blue. This one is, I think these are a little whiter than the other ones. Excited about my mirrors though. All right, that is it for this week's video. Just showing you the Suma Performance mirrors that I installed on the FJ. Also giving you an update on the drawer system that I've been working on for weeks, and it's starting to come to the end. I think I'm getting close on it, so pretty happy about that. But I would like to thank all of my subscribers. As of now, I'm over 1,100 subscribers, so really excited about that. Thank you all. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps me out. And if you have any questions or comments or anything about the FJ or anything I'm doing on the channel, please drop them below and I will get to them. And until next time, stay trashy.